Hi everybody, in this video I will talk about how to customize a header in the StackNavigator like in this example. So firstly we need to continue with the previous lesson, and now we want to customize this using an arrow function like this, but we will delete this and make this option into the our component, or here we will customize in the main component. So in the main component we have a function like this, an arrow function, and we have the navigation as input parameter and the implementation of the arrow function. And inside this arrow function we can add more code line. Here we can add more function and we can add more option to here. So firstly we have the header title. We define a string of a header title, and we return an object that contain the header title as here. So we have the title like this. So it is the same as with the previous, but it can customize or flexible whatever you need in this. So we also have the header title style, but remember that you must use this name, the correct name here. You must use this, and you can reload the application to see the output. So we have the color has been changed, and we also have a button like this, a right button or a border. A header right is a button in the right. You can add JSX here, for example view, etc. inside this, but here I use a button, and I customize this button with margin, with padding, and with background color. So we also have an event in on press. So after press to this, the on press will be called. And how we can access a method in main component, because this is a static function. The navigation option is a static function, so we need to call this on save. How we can do this? We can add a parameter, and the parameter will contain the function, and this will contain the function, and you have to buy this function or this pointer of this to the pointer of main component. So in on save you can access the pointer to main component, or this in main component. Okay. So in the here we can add constant. We get the parameter from the state. So you can use in the previous lesson. We see that navigation dot state dot param will get the parameter of the navigation. So you can call this on save here. So after calling this, the on save will be called. The on save in main component will be called. So for testing we can add a log here. You press save, for example. So refresh and press save. So you see the output that you press save. Okay, here you can press on, you press save. Okay, so you can continue to implement this function. So firstly you must set the parameter of each saving. Each saving is true or false. Is saving true means that you are prepared to do some tasks, and after the task finish you set the is saving to false. So it is how to manage the task, and you can show the progress, the loading progress, to allow user to see that the task is doing. So you use activity. You can use activity, and in this case you can switch between the main view with the activity in the render function by checking this is saving is true or is saving is false. So firstly, you can check that the is saving is true to prevent user to click multiple time. So if it is true or is doing, so do not process. And then the main view, we can create a main view, a JSX main view. If is saving is true, it will show the activity indicator. We can show the activity indicator, otherwise it will get a view here. So you cut this view, and paste to here. Yes, and paste this JSX to here. And then we have this, and we can return to the object main view. So return main view. Okay. So we have the main view is the activity indicator or view depending on the Z is saving true or false. So this will do a task for 3 seconds. So it will show the activity in about 3 seconds or 3 milliseconds, 3 million milliseconds. Yes. And so what about this? I can do the same with detail screen. I do the same with main screen by deleting this, and then inside this I define the the static object of navigation option. It is a function, an arrow function, with input parameter is navigation. So here we can customize the header title detail. It's quite simple, and you must return to header title. And secondly, we can customize the header style. We have the background color, RGB or hexacode, and we return is like this. We add more property to this object and return. And we also have the header title style. We have the yellow color. Yes, like this detail yellow. And we also have the header theme color white. Yes. So this is very basic for customize the header. Now run it in for testing. We can run this. We navigate. Okay, see. Okay, we can see the output has been changed. But now we want to customize this. We can want to change this text. Yes, you like, or remove this. How can we do this? So it is quite simple. You can change a little bit here. So let's change the header by title to the text you want as you like, and you can paste this here and save and rerun the program to reload. So we have yes, click. Okay, this is back. Okay, this is changed, so you can change as you like the text. Okay, thanks for watching. This is the end of my lesson today. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos about the React navigation, and you can download code here in GitHub.